Welcome back to my channel today, guys. So I'm gonna teach you how to go at the modern house. So all you gotta do is go at here, go up there and there and there, and put some there blocks, couple of blocks, and 1, 2. This is open. 1, 2, 3. So we need to put this and this. May pengi.
Huwag kang lumuhod.
Jellybeans.
Favorite ko to. Nanap ko. Ay, meron na yung TV ba sa nayo? Gusto mo iba matigas. Ay, isa.
So all you gotta do is go up there. See, you're in here. So go back into the stage. And there you go. You're in your. I'm in my house. This is the homeless. This is great.
Ay, tama ang puti niya tingnan.
As you can see,
Wala na. Grabe ka. Apat na nga yung
this is it. So
kasi lalabahan pa. Maganda yung dress naman.
so
Mukhang mamahalin niya.
this is a great.
Tapos pa, ano pa yung isang babae doon na ano.
This is a great house. Now look at it.
Para na po lang. Bumalik ka pa doon. Bumalik ka pa na. Hindi magandang kailan niya ang parang sa mall.
You have a house.
Yung letter B nandun sa likod.
So it's great.
Meron sana doon video.
So make sure to like and subscribe and smash the like button. So bye.